Hi guys, my name is Basim and in this YouTube channel we talk about business, dating and how to make your life better in general. In this video we are going to reply to a follower who asked us, I'm 35 years old and everything is going wrong in my life. What should I do? First of all, try to stay calm and accept your situation because no matter where you are in life, there is always people who are worse than you. And keep this in mind also, you can always change your situation and make your life better. The second thing to do is try to be honest with yourself and ask yourself why everything is going wrong. What are you doing that causes this problem and how you can fix it. After that, try to follow and ask the people who are more experienced than you and who are getting better results than you, because they can give you some advice and tips that help you get better results and fix your problems. Keep always improving yourself and learning new skills because the world is getting more and more competitive. And if you want to get better results than the others, you need always to be better than your competitors. In the end, keep in mind that life is hard and there is nothing you can do to change it. It is what it is. You need to accept it and be ready to face it. The second thing to keep in mind is there is always a solution for your problem and to make your life better. See you later.